Every little girl's dream to get married. I remember being a little kid and like having dreams of my father, and he like give me away at the altar, and I just remember like as a child and up till now, like waiting and just waiting to get married. Like when is it gonna happen? Like I want it like so bad, and I'm so tired of just like waiting, and I just wonder if like do little boys have dreams like that?
Um, I don't know. Not really. We dream more about cars and baseball and stuff like that, you know. My I don't know. My parents handle all that, the marriage stuff. I just show up to football practice and fucking just do my thing, you know. And I'm uh I don't know.
So like as a girl, like I even like my whole life I feel like has been revolved around like me getting married and like me thinking about getting married and me waiting to get married, and like I even watch shows like Say Yes to the Dress. Like first I started with Say Yes to the Dress Atlanta, and like Monty was my favorite, and he's like gay and he is just like amazing, and he had that southern accent and it was just so cute. But then like I found Randy, and he has his show, and it's the same show but it's like different places, and it's in Manhattan, and I was like, whoa, he's like way better gay guy, and like he can pick out way better dresses than Monty can. It's not just like that southern belle, so it's like like Randy's more like classy, like what I'm looking for.
Hmm.
And it's this show, and it's like based around like these brides finding their wedding dress, and like I just put myself in their shoes and like, oh, what kind of dress what kind of dress would I wear?
So you watch a wedding dress show with two gay guys on it?
No, 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 no. There's one gay guy, and they're both in different cities
I don't understand. Like, why why does it have gay guys on it?
because they know style, they know fashion. They're like,
He's never a gay guy. He's never worn a wedding dress. He's never worn a. He doesn't know.
yes, he does.
I,
He even Randy from the Manhattan story, he got his own spin-off. So I think he's pretty legit.
okay, if you say so, all right. That might make sense, but I just didn't get it. I just don't know. But if you say so, I mean, who knows?
I even think about like what type of wedding dress I want. Like I can either do like a ball gown, an A-line, a modified A-line, or a trumpet, or like mermaid, which is like a lot, really similar, or like a T-length. Like I thought about like I really would like to do a mini, but then like my grandma might think like, oh, that's slutty. Like, oh, well, my grandma wouldn't say like slutty, but she'd just be like, she'd look at me, and then I would just feel so bad. And then there's also like I could do like a empire waist.
Are we talking about Disney characters?
No, we're not talking about Disney characters. I'm talking about like types of dresses, like ball gown, like that's like Cinderella, like like the blue, like her dress when she's waiting for Prince Charming, or she's trying to find Prince Charming and she's waiting, and like, oh, she wants to dance with him so bad.
I, I just don't get it. Why would you get a ball gown if you're not going to a ball?
Because it's like It's like because it's like just it's like the classiest thing you could do. Like like I always want, like Cinderella was always like my favorite because she like, even though I didn't start out like from the bottom, like she had those awful stepmother and like stepsisters, and they were just like bossing her around. But like anyways, like it doesn't even matter. Like she got Prince Charming, and that gown was like the most beautiful gown ever, and it's like so classic and so beautiful, and like I would love to be like a princess.